Hello, friends. I'm sorry to have to tell you this, but I'm getting very suspicious of CNN's reporting. They're saying over and over again that Ebola is not an airborne disease. And they couldn't be further. And if that's so, why are we got these hazmat suits? You know, completely covering the face, mouth, nose. This virus needs moisture to survive, and it loses its potency and its strength if exposed to sunlight and air, completely exposed to it. But here I've got a clip of that the Mythbusters, whom I have reservations about. But anyway, they did a nice little mock-up of the sneeze. Not the cough. I would have liked the cough too, but there wouldn't be enough probably fluid to carry very far, or me not be able to carry it. Oh, they put dye in it, food coloring, and that made it better, more visible to see against their background. Anyway, take a look. I say that you need at least 6 feet between you and the person that's doing the sneezing and coughing to say that you're all right, you're safe. But CNN was saying over and over again, it's not airborne. You don't have to worry about that. You don't, what are they trying to do? How many of us will they be satisfied in killing? That's and when you say something is safe like that, well, maybe I should just drop it. But for heaven's sakes, treat it just like you've got somebody's got a real bad cold, and just treat every cougher and every sneezer as somebody who's potential, stay away from them in the grocery stores and so forth. All right, take a look at that little video. It's pretty good.